Do you like the idea of getting into property development, but you want to reduce your risk? My name is Ritchie Clapson. I'm a chartered structural engineer, and I've been in the property industry now over 40 years. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you about minimizing risk for your first property development. Development, the upside is great. Who wouldn't want to earn a six-figure sum? Maybe 100, 200, maybe 300,000 pounds out of a development. But equally, you wouldn't want to lose it, would you? You wouldn't want to lose 200,000 pounds. So it's about minimizing risk. And a lot of people, when they think about development, like the idea of perhaps doing some new build. Maybe you're the same, getting a nice bit of land, building 2 or 3 houses. Would I be right? No, that's not what you want to do, because you've got to go in the planning system. And the planning system in the UK is broken. I'm afraid it's completely broken, and it's not going to be fixed anytime soon. Previous government couldn't fix it. Current government, unlikely to fix it. They've got some great plans, but it's not going to be fixed. I don't think it's ever going to be fixed. So we have a solution that the government has given to us. The previous government and the current government still support it. It's called permitted development rights. This is a short circuit route through the planning system. It enables you to take a complete array of existing empty commercial buildings and turn them into residential properties, be that flats or houses. And it enables us to do that without going in to the full planning system. In fact, I was talking to someone the other day who was in the planning system for 4 years. 4 years of their life in the planning system, and they still didn't have a result. Permitted development rights, you put your application in, and 56 days, you heard it right, 56 days, they're due to give you an answer. And if they don't give you an answer, which they're obliged to give, guess what? You just carry on. You carry on and do your development. And we're not going to be subject to local or national policy. They can't make us provide car parking, and they can't make us provide amenity space. They can't stop our development through loss of employment for getting rid of the old commercial building. In fact, there's lots of things they can't do. And there's so many things that we can do with these permitted development rights. So what I want to tell you, if you want to minimize risk and you want to be a property developer, at least for your first development, and why not for your second, third, fourth, and fifth, but at least for your first, use permitted development rights. That is so important. That's how you're going to minimize risk. Hopefully you like what we do here. Hopefully that makes sense to you. If you do, like and subscribe, and of course, let us know any other videos you want us to produce. See you in the next video.